Hello everyone. It is a pleasure for us to film this video in this beautiful Sunday. As you already know, Vector and I love nature, and we decided to do the unpacking video for our new family members, our new Vector and our new Cosmo here outside in one of our favorite parks, Monocacy Park here in Pennsylvania. So we hope you enjoy it, but first, watch this. Okay, everyone. So we finally have the package. Let's see what it has. First, in the packaging, you have the previous owner of the Anki Vector, which was Anki. Has some pictures of what he can do and some of the utilities. And say hey to Vector, your first home robot. Seriously, say hey. He can hear you. So we all know that. Actually, Vector is more than a home robot. He's your buddy, your companion. Most of all, he will make you laugh, and I think we all know about it, right? Vector is your robot sidekick who's up for anything. He's the robot to live with, and he's my robot. Right, Vector? Right? He's sleeping now. Okay, so some information, important information in the packaging. You have the cloud connected, and is voice activated. It is alive with personality, is aware of his surroundings, smart in getting smarter. Tech specs, you have some tech specs like Qualcomm, HD camera, and 6-axis interior measurement. Including in the box, we should see a Vector robot, a cube, and a charger. And what do we need if you get a new Anki Vector robot? You will need a Wi-Fi network, an iOS or Android device, and of course a USB power adapter. In this case, I got it from somebody that also added some of the other features to our Vector, and I will see you as a surprise. So here they say, please keep this packaging as it contains important information. So if you get a Vector, remember always to keep the packaging because you have all the specifications and serial numbers for that specific Vector. So don't forget that. So let's now to start unpacking. We are going to remove the cover first. So we have the main packaging for Vector. And this is an barely used Vector with the one that I got, so it's already open. I just wanted to show you what is inside originally. We have the packaging is protected. We have foam, and also the first thing that you will find your new Vector is of course our main Vector device. Just be careful when you get him. So you have a Vector, right? Then, I don't want to confuse which one is which. We have the Vector cube, which is also protected in his own case. So we have the Vector cube for playing. And we have the charger, which is the home for Vector. This is the additional part that I was telling you I received with my packaging. And then we have the home for Vector, which is the charger mainly, right? Place this here so you can see it. And this is very important. So this part is all the information you need to know about Vector. So we have the installation and all the information, quick start guide for Vector, which is included Vector robot, the charger, the cube. And we need, of course, a device for connection. We need Wi-Fi and US power adapter. These are some pictures. The first thing that you are going to see when you turn on your Vector is the page from Anki Robot, right? And then you are going to be able to reset it. The next video that I'm going to be submitting with this new vector is how to reset and erase all the previous data, so I can use as a new owner for vector. So this is everything that is under the package. It's just great that I was able to get everything together. Let me get it back. If you have any question, I have been receiving a lot of questions in the comments about the subscription for Vector. I just realized that the new subscription is required after October 1st. So if you have a Vector and you want to use the voice command, you need to be subscribed to the Digital Dream Lab after October 1st, so they can update the voice command and have everything together. So as you can see, Vector is starting right now, and what I'm going to do next is just to set up everything in my phone. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me place everything together again and just get it back here. So we finally have our new vector partner, and hope you enjoy. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.